the features I get, which is super insane. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It actually works, guys.
Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to get the Projector app on your phone so you can actually project stuff with your phone like onto the wall. So it's on matrixmods.com, so just go over there, find the Projector app and press download, and then the last step is the verification. So basically what we have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So as you can see, this is the website, guys, matrixmods.com. So now it's taking us over here and it says like missing files, so you just have to download 2 of the apps. So like Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds. DraftKings Casino, this one you guys search something up. So there's tons of them. So there you go, guys. Matrix Mods, that's the site. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, if you do need this, definitely try it out for yourself. It's super cool. But yeah, a lot of people are interested, obviously, in getting the Projector app, and there is none on the App Store. So if we go on the App Store and type in Projector, you guys will see it is not here. So it's kind of weird, but as you can see, there's nothing. There's this tracing one, which is not what we want. This is a screen mirroring app requiring Bluetooth, so they're not what we're looking for. Then there's the DaVinci Eye. These are, once again, not projectors. So I'll see you guys later, but there you go, guys. Matrix Mods, that's the site. So try it out for yourself. It's super cool. But if you guys do need this, definitely tell your friends, because it is fully working, guys. So yeah, I have looked into some other versions, but this is the best way to get it. Projector app for your device, iOS and Android, guys. So I hope you found it useful. There you go, guys. matrixmods.com, that's the site. So yeah, this is legit. So hope you found it pretty cool. I really like it, honestly. So I don't find any issues or anything like that. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel and everything. This is fully updated method, guys, and peace out.